All right, today we're gonna get these lamps put together. Now, I just want to let you know that these are beautiful, outstanding lights. They remind me of the old Coca-Cola style bottles that they had back in the 60s, 70s. Beautiful style, a crystal on the top. They include the light bulbs, the shades, and the two different rings that you need to set up for the top and the bottom. Instructions are also included, but this does not require instructions. It's very simple. It's very intuitive to put together. So we're gonna put it together and see how it looks. All right, we just did the most difficult part of it and just putting this together, and that was the easy part. So we're gonna actually put the rings. Do the rings separate from the actual lamp. Don't try to do it at the same time. So, all right, this is a simple way to actually put it together. You guys can see it. Just make sure that you're properly doing. If you can see the bottom and the top, the rings were simple to put in. You can start from any direction, pretty much the bottom or the top, either way. Here we have the lamp. We're going to turn it on. Touch the neck once. That's 1, 2, and then 3, and it goes 4 to turn off. Let's go back to 2, 3. So the beautiful lamp, you guys can see the lamp. It's all see-through in there. It's glass, real glass. I like that they included the light bulbs in here. At first I was trying to figure out how to turn it on, but it's just the neck that you touch. All right. One of the best things I like about it, it has 2 USB for charging, and you see 5 volts. All right, so this is perfect for your phone. If you could set this lamp by your office, by your bedroom side, your side tables, your corner tables, your main living room, anywhere. This is a beautiful, it brings a good ambiance to your interior. So I like the actual look of it. Nice little corner office that we have here. Beautiful, outstanding lamp. You could be working